Welcome, lovely people. Today we are about to get started. Yay! Hello, beautiful people, and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to be doing our glam. Let's go ahead and get started. Again, I am using the Maybelline Baby Skin Primer, and I usually dot a little bit on my face. So I'm gonna go ahead and rub it in my face. After I rub it in my face, I go ahead and spray a little bit of my setting spray, which by e.l.f., which I've already sprayed my face. I'm gonna go ahead and get my bhcosmetics foundation in Deep Cocoa. Okay, so I have my brush and BH face. And I'll go ahead and blend it in my face. So I went ahead to apply it on my face, and this is how it looks on my face. To be using the LA Girl Pro Concealer, and this is in the color Beautiful Bronzer. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply some my chin and also my forehead. After I am done applying my concealer, I like to use my foundation brush to dot it in a little bit. On this side. For now, I'm gonna go ahead and use my benign topaz. Like to dot it, and I'll put some on my forehead like that, and a little bit on my nose. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and contour my face. I got this from Black Opal. It is in the color Black Walnut. So I usually will put a little bit, I'll turn to the side like that. And like that on my face. And now I got my LA Girl Pro Face, and this is in the color Cocoa. So dabbing a little bit, and I'm gonna go ahead and finish contouring my face. So far this is what I have. Okay, and I also got this Beauty Benefit Hollywood bronzer. I believe I got this from the Dollar Tree, so I'm gonna go ahead and dab a little bit and see how it's gonna look. Not too bad. Okay, now whilst I have my face baking, I'm gonna go ahead and start working on my eyebrows, and I'm brushing it in. I usually start with the black one to line out my eye. Okay, so, and I'll go to the top part like that. So this is what I have. I'll line it up. I'm gonna go ahead and do this side as well. Okay, so this is how my eyebrows are looking now. So I'm gonna go ahead and clean it up. And the pencils that I use, this says Dollar Tree, and it works for me, so that's what I use. So I'm gonna go ahead and clean out my eyebrows so that you guys will all see how it's looking at. Okay, I'm using my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color of Beautiful Bronzer, and I have my flat angle brush. So I have a mirror in front of me. That's the reason why I'm not looking straight in the camera. So the side, and I try to draw a line. And I'm gonna go ahead. Okay, and we're going to do the top part. So for the top part, I go like that. Again, like that. And we will be turning the pencil to the side, going like that. Okay, drawing our line. Like, so this is how our eyebrow looks now. Okay, all right, so I'm gonna go ahead and finish the other one, and I'll be back. So far, this is how my eyebrow looks. I'm gonna go ahead and apply a little bit on my concealer on my eyes. I'm moving on to my eyeshadow, and I'm using my bhcosmetics. A little bit more. My other eye. Okay, I'm going ahead and applying some of the yellow on this eye. And blend it in. Okay. I'm gonna go ahead and create my crease. So I'm applying this there. I got this LA Girl liquid eyeshadow, so I'm gonna dab a little bit to see how it looks. Wow, it's nice. Okay, I'm loving it. I'm gonna go ahead and put my false lashes. Alright, so now my face has baked enough. I apply my falsy lashes. I'm gonna go ahead and banana powder that I put on my face. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and put on my blush, and we will be finishing up. Okay, so this is Sleek, and This is the color that I'm going to. It's called rose gold. So I'm going ahead to dab a little bit and I'm putting it on my cheek. And I'm also using my Fever. I want my cheek to pop. Gonna finish my look up with my loose powder, and we will be all set. Yay! I'm going ahead with my Rubykisses of Glow. Put some on my nose. Just a tiny bit right there. So I'm going to do my lips, and I will see you soon. Now I'm gonna go ahead and set my face. I sprayed it. Alright, beautiful people, thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you all soon. Thank you. We're gonna be beating our face together very soon, so please subscribe and like. Thank you.